You gonna go?
Yep.
Got him! Last
On your
shot
head,
too.
Jono, on your head! Interested.
Done. Ready? Go. Get him. He's going down. Wait for Jono. Jono's back in.
He's in.
Got two. Oh, he's not going to go down though. Oh, my one's sick. My one's going down. Yep. This one's in. King. Blind now. Go. Yep, got him. Going down. Oh, he's not healthy. Oh, they're going to head over towards the pond. There's a duck though. Got one. Sorry, bro. Yeah, go. He's hurt, but he's not going to go down. Damn it. Out even further now, ain't it?
Go.
One's down. Swan. Oh, yep. How you like that?
Hey, your swan's alive. Fucking hell, it's hard to hit. Oh, I got him.
Gonna come back. Got him. Go, puppy. That's a good one to collect.
I'll go with the dog.
Sun again.
You see him, Jack?
Got the bottom one. Oh, I've got the top one.
Go.
My one. Get him. Yeah, you got him. He's hit.
He's hit.
Yep, we're two
Well
down.
done, boys. Two down. Fuck,
This
this
thing gets way more than the Beretta.
Do you want to swap over? Here we go.
Hit him. He's down. He's down.
Get him, mate. Get him. I got one more shot left. Can't see him.
This guy's dead now.
Good clean kill.
Get on. Give me a chase.
Dragged it off there.
Nice one, boys. Just wait, call him back, Jono. That's better, that's better.
Ready?
Yep. Got that one, Pippi, you shot that one.
That was a weird bloody death.
Yeah. I was going to
sure
follow.
if the
I was
dog
going
can
to
get
shoot
that.
at it, but you hit it with your first shot.
You want to put your dog on that, Jono? You might take it, eh? Get him. Bring him in.
Go the other side, Pippi. Oh, she's charging it in, Pippi. Doing it beautifully. That's awesome. Sorry, missed that one. Missed the shooting of that one on film. Never mind. Howdy, fellas. Try and stay splashy, eh? Oh.
That's not.
You come down in front of us, yeah?
Back yourself.
Yeah.
That was our chance.
Really? Oh, I've been second so well though. One pass. Surely not.
Well, I voted to shoot him.
Where? Oh shit.
Oh, wait on.
Here they come.
They're not going to be.
Fucking sad bastards, eh? Killing those frickin' swans.
There's heaps of them.
There's too many of them.
Too easy, eh?
Two less. Yep, setting. Setting. Go.
We go.
Got him! Finish him off, AJ. Going in that weed.
Watch out for Steve and him over there. Good shooting ball.
Oh, no. Go over a second time.
You out on the right. We can wipe this one. Come straight over to pop it in, boys. You go?
Yep. Jono, get him.
Got him!
Oh no, one got it back up. One got back up.
Look what I did.
He's going down. He's going down.
Going down. I'm going to get a shot.
He's came off the river, didn't he? He's dived.
Where'd you go? Milk here. Suck it.
Ah, he's dead. He's toast.
There is milk here if you want it.
Is it?
You carried the bottle over. You two shooting?
Wasted your shot, AJ.
Yeah. I'll spot him for you.
Thank you, Stevie. I finally got the first shot this morning.
Sweet.
Hoorah! One's in range. Let it land. No, let it land. Don't let it get up though, Jack. You keep an eye on that one.
Try not to shoot people.
Okay, I've got here. As soon as I shoot her, you guys go for it. Oh. Good work, AJ. Shit, they took the third shot.
Was it?
Yeah, for me to hit it. Go now, Dad, eh?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh no, I thought mine was going down. It is going down. Damn it, I went to go to yours. Freaking mine's almost made it to bloody your right over the river. Right over to Fort Knox.
Did it make it that far?
Yeah, pretty much. The other one's freaking still flying.
No, they were closer the time before.
Yeah, we're. Not really interested, eh?
Came back, had a look, said, oh yeah, nah. No, we've been shot there.
No. Wait on, honey, the ducks are coming in. Here they come, right in there on the left.
They're in, on the left. The front one, David, at the back two.
Have to take these front two, eh? Yep, got two. I got two. How many do we get? Four.
Did you get your two, or not?
Yep, got my two.
I got mine two as well. So did I. You had the back two there. You get them both. No. Get the far one. It was miles too far away.
Yeah, that's pretty good going. Now you guys can talk and do whatever you want.
Look at that, that was good, eh? That's better shooting. I know.
High five.
Might as well.
Woo! High five.
Five.
Uncle Brodden and Daddy shot a couple each. Now the dog's going to go get them. You guys come and have a look at this. Come and stand up and have a look now. That was good. I did try to wait as long as possible to get
That's
the
the sort of shooting we've had, mate.
back two to come in.
You've got to be patient.
Was it one? Oh, they're going to go behind us. Oh, they're going to go behind. Oh, one's coming, one's coming. Here he comes. You can definitely see one and one's coming over good.
It's going to be over the back.
Nah, they're going over the back.
No, they're not. They're coming. Here they come. Here they come. They're in.
Got it, bro. Just.
Yeah, no, just do.
No, you missed it. You got freaking miles behind it that first shot. He was honking. He was honking.
Saw his neck bending.
I think that was my shot that freaking bent his neck, bro.
No, bro, that was my shot.
Oh, did you aim for the back one too? Yeah, we got it.
We had to wait for the back one to come in.
Waiting. Too slow.
That was flying. I wouldn't be surprised if they had just shot it there.
They probably shot it there.
Well, the swans are up, 4 of them down there. Must be a boat coming. Here comes the swan. You might get a shot at these boys.
Where are they, bro?
I think there's a boat coming. The swan are coming back this way.
Can't see them.
No, they're in behind the mama. And behind this one.
Oh, okay. You need to run out the door.
Are they behind us? I can't see them.
Here they are. Yep. Yep, they're right here. Yeah, we're going to have to go.
They're pretty high.
Front one. Two. Well, there's another retrieve.
Get hit by
Oh no, yeah, they're all coming down. Right through the middle of the pattern. Two in behind it, look. Yep. Got him. Blasted them. Blasted them. Did you get a shot off, AJ?
Yeah, 2 shots.
Oh, nice. One at each. Same.
You probably got both of them in, AJ.
I fired one at each.
I fired one of these.
Spoonies it.
Here they go, they're in.
Where?
Straight up here. 2 of them.
Okay.
No, the real ducks, Dad. We'll have to take these two, Steve.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Here they come, Dad.
They're in.
They go on your side. No,
Nothing else around or what? Who's the safety on the thing?
it's on the in front of the trigger.
Yeah.
Yep. Too slow, Dad.
Shit himself.
He did.
Oh, they were still coming towards us, so I was waiting for a bit.
We had to
They were
go.
close enough.
No,
That's not-
get them in close. Call them back in, Steve. Yeah, see, no, that's better. See,
Easy do you want them, man?
I want them like this. Same spot, look.
Go.
Yeah.
Can't see it. Oh, I got my one.
Your one
Yeah, oh, that was the one I was firing at. Did you fire at my one, Steve?
was the front one. He's down.
He's down anyway.
Oh, it's not healthy, eh?